Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, karibu sana and kindly consider subscribing. In today's video, we are going to make legomas. It's a very simple pattern with just 2 stitches, half double crochet and single crochet, and it has a drawstring here. So this size is for a 3 to 5 years old baby, and the measurements that I'm using as standard measurements. They are not the actual ones. So if you have your baby there or you're making for yourself, you just take the actual measurements. For a 3 to 5-year-old baby, the ankle circumference measures 6.5 inches, the thigh circumference measures 10.5 inches, and the full length from ankle to mid-thigh measures 13 inches. So what do we need for this project? We need yarn. I'm using Winter King, a 4-ply yarn, Kenyan brand. We need a crochet hook. I'm using 4.0 millimeter hook. We need a pair of scissors. We need a darning needle to hide the tails at the end of the project. And we need a tape measure to help us in measurements. So to start, make a foundation chain, starting chains that measures 13 inches long. I already have mine here. These are 55 chains in total, and they are measuring 13 inches. Just to confirm. Yeah, 13 inches. And the first row, skip this first chain. Sorry. Skip the first chain, and in the second chain, in the back loop, make a single crochet here, single crochet. Next chain, another single crochet until you get 9 in total. So these are 2 single crochet, and third one, fourth. We are making single crochet in the back loop. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. 2 more. 8 and 9 single crochet. Okay, so in this next remaining chains, make half double crochet in each chain, back loop only. Half double crochet, half double crochet in every chain, back loop only. Half double crochet. So continue making half double crochet in every chain until you get to this end here. So I'm doing the last half double crochet. This is what we have in our first row. Next row, chain 2 and turn your work. Make half double crochet in the back loop only. So there are two loops here. This is the first, the front loop, and this is the back loop. The one away from you is the back loop. So that is where we are making half double crochet in every stitch. Half double crochet, half double crochet. So continue making half double crochet in every stitch, back loop only, till you get to where we did the single crochets. So these are the 9 single crochet. So we'll switch to single crochet in every stitch, back loop only, single crochet, and then when you get to the last stitch, insert your hook in both loops, not the back loop only, in both loops, and make a single crochet like that. This helps the ends to be firm and strong. So to start the next row, chain 1 and turn your work. Make single crochet in the back loop only. 1, 2 until you get to the 9th single crochet. 8 and 9, and then you switch to half double crochet in every stitch, back loop only, half double crochet, half double crochet, till you get to this end. When you get to the last stitch, make half double crochet, inserting your hook in both loops like this. Sorry, yes. Next row, chain 2. So when you are starting the row from half double crochet, you chain 2. When you are starting from the single crochet, you chain 1. You are turning chains. So chain 2 and turn your work. Make half double crochet in the back loop only. So this is the pattern we are using. As you can see, it's a very simple pattern. Just making half double crochet and single crochet until your leg warmer measures 6.5 inches at the ankle part. So I made a total of 22 rows, which gave me the 6.5 inches from this part when stretched. So as you can see, it is 3.25. When you multiply by 2, it is 6.5 inches. And then at the thigh size, the thigh part, the same. To get 10.5. When it's stretched, it will give you 5.25. When you multiply by 2, it's 10.5 inches. And then the length, we said it is 13. Okay, when stretched. So continue making the half double crochet and single crochet until you achieve the length, the size you want. So I'll meet you at the end to show you how to join these. So I'm on the last row. This is the 22nd row. Single crochet, single crochet to the end. The last stitch, you insert your hook in both loops and then make a single crochet. So these are 22 rows. At the ankle, the measurement is 6.5. When you stretch like this, it will give you 6.5. And then the thigh side, when stretched, it gives you 10.5. Like this. So the next step is to join these two sides. So once you get here, chain 1, then turn like this and fold this other side like this. Then insert your hook in the back loop of this side, and then in both loops this other side. Pull through and make a slip stitch. Insert your hook, back loop, this one side and the second side in both loops. Like that. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Then grab yarn and pull through to make a slip stitch. So this is how you are going to join. So continue joining using a slip stitch till you get to the end. Chain 1 and cut your yarn and pull through. So turn it inside out. This will be your right side. Then using the darning needle, hide these 2 tails. Now, to make the drawstring, you just make chains. I made 100 of them, and that is what I'm going to do for the second one. So chain 1, 2 up to 100. If you want it a bit longer, you can increase the chains, or shorter, reduce the number of chains you make. So that is all for the drawstrings. Here are the 100 chains. Now I want to pass them through in the spaces. Just like this. So do this all around. If you have beads, you can put them at the edges. Just like that. Ignore the background music. Those are my neighbors. Then you tie a knot to secure them like that. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Until next time, bye.